While AI voice agent are built in LiveKit to be receptionist that can interact with the callers through natural conversation and they can assist with let's begin and the LiveKit agent section where the reception has been configured. Here is basically we insert the variables of the like the business instructions, the guidelines of the rules, and get designed to grade callers professionally, identify the intent, and answer them. The solution is to convert the text to a language model to understand the request and the and text to speech to convert it. So if I show you,
Sure, I'm happy to help. May I ask what you're calling about today?
I have been tested it, so it has saved all the basic, has saved all the content.
Good morning. How may I assist you today?
Hello.
Hello!
I would like to book an appointment.
Certainly. May I have the name of the doctor or department you'd like to see and a preferred date or time?
So I would like to book an dental probably for tomorrow PM.
I'm not able to schedule appointments directly, but I can take a message for our dental office.
So
Could you provide your full name, a phone number, and any additional details you'd like us to know?
the school my my phone number is 15898 and I want to book a dental appointment. I am having pain in my wisdom. Hello. Actually, I believe I am using the free credit code. Uh, we have a rate limitation since it's a free credit model. Then they get all this uh, basically uh, the model and the solution can help clinics and business again with the rate limit. Right? Mm,
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
can you get
Sure, I can help with that. May I know which doctor or service you'd like to see and a preferred date or time?
I'm having some pain in my teeth, so I want a dental appointment.
I'm sorry you're in pain. Could you provide your name, a phone number, and a preferred day or time, and I'll pass the request to our dental team.
My name is Shiva and my phone number is 189.
Thank you, Shiva. I've recorded your request for a dental appointment and we'll have the clinic call you back at 126056789 as soon as possible. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks.
You're all set. Our dental team will call you back at 126056789 to schedule an appointment. Have a great day.
now this is uh, the rate limit. So initially is good, improve customer the same architecture can be extended to the whole customer. So the demo. Hope you like.